Hello, I'm Mateo Angelo Vergara. How to call Globe Hotline using keypad? Let's call. Click on speaker. Record. Mute.
Thanks for calling Globe.
Go to keypad.
We're here to make it easy for you to get the help you need. If you want to report an
Press
issue
the
with your
keypad
internet connection,
for
call.
1.
You are calling from 0945-344-4220. If your concern is about this number, press 1. If you are calling, please wait while I pull up your account information.
You have 11 from the keypad number.
We're sorry to hear that you're having difficulty with your internet connection. We understand your need to stay connected during this time. For the initial troubleshooting of your connection, please visit https://www.globe.com.ph/help/troubleshooting.html. Thank you and stay safe.